Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and once again we come up with another unboxing video. And Royal Enfield riding boots are there. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. You can see the packaging of this product is very good because it came directly from the Royal Enfield showroom, and actually I bought it from the Amazon with the discount because the Diwali sale is going on. And that is the carol color is there, red and carol color. That is the looks like a that it is a like a dark black color, and actually it is very important to save our legs. And you can see the boots, and these are actually the military boots. You can see the military boots are there. See the military boots and see the color. It looks very nice, very beautiful. And you can see the price of also this boot, and you can see the protection of this boot are very good. And you can see that this sole of this boot, and here is written Royal Enfield, and it looks heavier, but it is not that much of heavier, but it looks that much of heavier. So these are the boots. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get such kind of videos regularly. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.